Thanks for clicking on the video, guys. You definitely ain't gonna want to miss this one. We're bringing that pile home for Dad, wherever Dad is. Doesn't matter. All right. Well, it's officially Saturday. It's the D-Day of going and getting Dad's van. Fantastic. Van Helsing, whatever the heck Dad is going to call that van. But we're headed out there to go get it. We've got like 2 tons of rat poopy to get cleaned out. They found the title, thank God, but they didn't find the keys. So we're going to have to get the transmission linkage disconnected so that way we can hopefully get it on the trailer. And hopefully those tires will hold air just long enough to get it on the trailer. So we're headed out there, and we'll check in once we get out there. It should be a pretty good day. Hopefully get this thing home with no issues and get her cleaned up and show you a deep dive on the old van. What says you, Dad? Who? Well, we made it. Car trailer's here. We have the big truck here just in case we need it for whatever reason, but we're here to pick up Dad's 1978 Dodge van. And hey, if you missed the last video, please go check it out. You know, we made the deal, first impressions of it. It's a pretty sweet old van in pretty decent shape. She's kind of buried in the ground. She's been here for a minute. But and the funky old paint job, you know, that's what really sells it. It's a real shorty van. Let me just zoom out for you. Yeah, there we go. Get kind of a little view. But Dad made a deal on it last weekend, and like we promised, we're here to pick it up. And yeah, just the nest in here. The nest goes up to the dash. But she got shag carpeting. Ooh, yeah. All the pinstriping. It smells like a rat's nest in here, which is to be expected. But we're here to pick her up, take her home, start doing the cleanup and working on it. So, hope you guys enjoy this one, and we'll check in. Alrighty, so we're cleaning out the van. We're on the GoPro now. I'm gonna try and make my way across here to get this door open. Maybe get a little bit of ventilation. Come on. There we go. So we got it. Oh, come on. There we go. So we gotta couldn't find the keys. So we gotta get down to the transmission linkage because we can't get it from the front side. So we can disconnect it so we can put it in neutral. So I'm here cleaning all the dookie out. Good news is the distributor is in the engine. Thank God. There should be a transmission somewhere at the base of this. Should be. You know, if I was smart, I'd do this on the other side where the actual transmission linkage is. There's a transmission. I'm gonna find it. Yeah, that's a lot of dookie. That is a lot of dookie. My Lord. All right, now I got both my hands.
I got it running for him. And I went ahead and pulled the third man.
Okay. I found the kickdown linkage right there. So I think this is that's the starter wires. Let's see here. There's the transmission linkage. Oh God, falling out. That's a nightmare to get to. I thought I'd have a little more access to the transmission. So I think I'm gonna go back out to the hood and try and disconnect it from the steering column itself, because that's just way too much dookie. Alrighty, so a little update. We're not gonna worry about cleaning out too much right here. Gonna be a little too much of a pain. We're gonna just try and drag it on the trailer. Hopefully the brakes ain't locked up. Leave this door somewhat open. And the wheels are straight, so should go right on the trailer. Dad's got air in the tires. They aired up, that's good. So we'll hook the winch up to it. See if we get this old beast on the trailer. Look at that freaking paint, look at that. That is so damn cool. What kind of treasures were hidden underneath of it, Dad?
If you can find that bushing, if you could just kind of see that little bushing, that'd be groovy.
That bushing would have been up here, Dad. You were laying about there, right here.
Find it?
That's a spring washer. I'll make you a new bushing. I ain't gonna be digging. So the van's on. What says you did?
So we get her chained down.
Yeah. That's kind of neat. Didn't see that pinstriping before. Pretty sweet. Good to see it on the trailer. Now we get to start the excavation of the rat poopy. Fire that van up, Dad. Huh. That van sounds all like a Caterpillar diesel. First time she's moved in a minute. Now we're gonna go clean all that poopy out. We're gonna dump it all in Terry's pit, and then we'll take her home. Well, we got quite a bit of the rats evicted. Floors actually look pretty dang good. I don't know how it's possible, but even underneath that carpet up there up in the front, it was still there, so.
And one thing about a rat, they don't shit where they sleep.
Right.
So all the shit's over here and their bed's over there.
Oh. Yeah, a little bit of rot over that corner, but it's small. It'll be fixable. Still got to dig out the engine area, but it's a lot smaller rat's nest now. We got a shovel, and Dad's using an air cleaner lid. You could use that shovel, Dad. But I'm just getting a little bit of fresh air. We're gonna set the camera back up probably in that corner and keep cleaning. Alrighty, so we got this thing pretty well cleaned out. Look at this. Look at this floor. Let me just zoom you out so you can get a full picture. There's that little bit of rot right there. That's easy fix. Nothing there. But we got our printer cleaned out. There's just a metric crap load. We got to thank Terry for letting us just sweep all the crap out. We got the carpet out. Look at that. That floorboard is probably going to be fine. It's the nastiest looking one. That side's pretty good. Of course, there's not much floorboard there. The old 360 didn't have a carburetor on it, but it did have the distributor in it. So hard to say the condition of that engine. It was a good running engine when they parked it, but you know, rats don't care. So we're gonna blow off the trailer, probably hit the road here pretty soon. We're gonna probably take this thing to the car wash and blast it out really dang good. So so far so good. So we got the van ready to head home. It's on the trailer. And what do you guys say about it, Dad?
It's gonna be a dandy.
You got rat poop on your face.
I do?
Yep.
Where at?
Right next to your lip. You know, right there. You'll see it in the video and you'll be disgusted. Well, she's headed home now. Alrighty, so we got the van back to the house. Dad's doing one last modification before we call it a night and go get dinner, and I got to edit a bunch of videos for you guys. And that is, we went through my stash and we found a newer model Dodge license plate, but we figured it would go better with the van since it is silver. So we figured the silver license plate, even though it's a newer logo. I got an older one, white and red, but Figured that one. I wouldn't care if it stayed on the van and got screwed up. So I got the van here, and well, pretty happy about it. Cleaned up pretty good, and you'll see that in the next video. Just want to show you we made it. We got the tube grill kind of just sitting in there. We got a lot of cleaning to do. Hopefully we can save that and make it look okay. Hard to say. But hope you guys stay tuned and check out the rest of the build series on this, because it's going to be pretty dang sweet, I'll tell you that much. So, Dad, get that license plate on there.
Working on it.
That does look a lot better. If you couldn't tell, it's a Dodge.
Yeah, it still had bumper jacks.
Yeah. Unless that was maybe something for, I don't know. That could have
The
been.
rear bumper's got them slots too.
Oh, does it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're still using a bumper jack.
Huh. Well, I guess 78. So, yeah, that pinstriping. This thing would have been pretty freaking sweet. So, for anybody who don't believe us, I don't know if this is a real street van or not, but that's a good place for a screwdriver. But it is a 109-inch wheelbase, so it is a stubby van. For the paperwork, I don't know. Shortest they made, I don't know, but we'll see if that tube grill will clean up and see if we paint all that stuff in the front black and see if that would look all right. Otherwise, we got a guy who's willing to send us a stock grill, or maybe put an earlier grill in there if it's possible. Who knows? We'll see what happens, but
That sure shows a lot of stuff.
yeah, there's a bunch of crap. It looks pretty bad, but the license plate looks pretty good though.
But if that was shiny chrome and that was flat black, matte black behind it, I don't know, it'd probably still stand out, look like crap.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, a lot of that's rusty, so it looks pretty awful. I mean, if we stand back far enough, I don't know.
Still looks like crap.
Yeah, the bars need to be closer together, I think. Anyways,
Almost like we need some screen.
yeah, that's what I was thinking when we pulled the grill out. Put some like fine mesh or something just to kind of cover it up. But come over here, dude. We got to film an outro for everybody. We got to thank every single person. Right there. Yeah, come over here, dude. Can't see you. There you go. Right there. Yeah. Oh, God. Too far. So, as always, guys, we want to thank you for checking this one out. And hope you check out the rest of the van videos and enjoy them. As always, take care and
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.